Sa ako mga estudyante, hello. So, sa una, estudyante tamo, ako yung maestra, na ako'y life story as a wife to tell you. I know na this will somehow inspire you kung unsa ba yung mga struggles sa ninyo karon. How did I deal with it? And so, I think I also need to share. Sa akong kaminyoon, in 1993, nakoy na yung problema. Problema nga di siya just one simple, but it's really a very serious problem. May kani nga issue, ingon ang mga experts ani nga issue nga only 2% were able to decide to go out from this problem. And this problem is addiction. Gambling addiction. So, nakalitan ko, I was confused, na ay mga kaulit na itabo, mga pangutana ka, wala unsa ka ni ba? Can I still move from here to there? So, nakapangutana ako, sa may akong dapat himuon ani. So, scientifically speaking, yung gid ka nga, know your problem. So, what is your problem? My problem is gambling addiction. So, sa may akong himuon ani. Nagkuan ko, palit ko libro about gambling. So, number one that struck me was the word weakness. Weakness mo na sa tao. Naiuban nga makabalo mo hawa na, naiuban kabalo mo kay because that's weakness. I-desire yun na nila, may mo na siyang kagaw. Germs sa imong kuan lawas. So, saan man ni siya? So, ako, I have to make myself stable first so that I can also move forward on my own. So, how did I start from the author's point of view about weakness? So, I learned weakness rin na siya. So, I can be of help. So, siguro na ako yung mga kuwan ani. Ang akong goal ani is makahuman ang mga bata pag-eskwela. So, saan ako ni? So, ang nahitabo, we agreed na, sige, naman kay sweldo, you have your income, ikaw magpalit sa imong personal needs, because you know, what are these things, ikaw in charge sa atong pagkaon, water bill and electric bill. Niya ako, I have my income as teacher, ako yung magbayad sa tuition sa mga bata, school projects, school needs, plite kada adlaw, and their personal needs. So in that way, na tagaan na mo og kuan from that collection, from that money that you have. Sa amo, ang separate with me, that is plan B. So sa ako na siya, and then he agreed. So that was it. So, kuanda yun. Ang nahitabo na sa author's point of view, mo to, weakness, then give him accountability. So sa Christian point of view, also may akong nadunggan sa mga advices, mga counselors, mga experts, speakers na you can be the light of the person, you can be of help. If he is not the light on your path, you can be the light of his path. So dito nang sugod akong kuan na, I have the skill in dressmaking, I will use this one, maka-income ko additional to our salary. So nanahi ko, so lokat sa mga sinina sa mga maestra, lokat sa costume sa mga bata, lokat sa mga casual dresses. So ako nagatahi sa akong uniform, ako nagatahi sa uniform sa akong mga anak, gikan sila mga sinina. And their costumes too, kung na ilang mga affairs, I made dress for them. So nakasagbat to sa among earning. So siguro na ay kausaban sa among mga kinitaan. And at that point, I started saving. So instead of losing, so nalingaw pa ko. So instead na mag-focus ko sa among money matters, ano man yung kulang man nalingaw ko sa income. Kaya I hired one dressmaker para nga kung nako sa eskwelahan, makatahi po siya. Okay? So, wala na ako gialaw ang gambling to dictate my life. Dila ko gialaw ang gambling or addiction to really pull me down. Tingod kay dili lang ako man ang ma-down, kundi including my children. So when I decided to marry, I decided on my own. They're innocent about this. And so, in the end, prayer. Ang prayer, gyud was our number one weapon. Nya, gidaog gyud ni. We believe in God's word. We believe in God's promise. We believe in God's power to change lives, to change that character na may slow down or to automatically wash it out. And God made it possible. And we are really very thankful for that. Nya karon ang mga bata, nakahuman silang pag-eskwela. They have their partners, they have their very nice jobs. To God be the glory. So, I hope that this short story also inspire you. Remember, in God we trust.